47 years ago this week, there was a party like never before. Where were you when Woodstock happened? Here to take us back to the groovy 60s with their folk rock sound is the Mamas and the Papas tribute band, Monday Monday. Take it away, Monday Monday.
Ba-da, ba-da-da-da. Ba-da, ba-da-da-da.
Monday, Monday,
Ba-da, ba-da-da-da.
so good to me.
Ba-da, ba-da-da-da.
Monday morning,
Ba-da,
it was all I hoped it would be. Oh, Monday morning, couldn't guarantee that Monday evening you would still be here with me. Every other day, every other day of the week is fine, yeah. But whenever Monday comes, you can find me crying all of the time. Monday, Monday. All the leaves are brown, and the sky is gray. I've been for a walk on a winter's day. If I didn't tell her, I could leave today. California dreaming on such a winter's day. California dreaming on such a winter's day. California dreaming on such a winter's day.
Oh, you guys are awesome. You guys are awesome. And I actually remember the Mamas and the Papas. You guys are so good. And you've got a show coming up, right?
We do.
So everybody can get in on the action and on the big party. Tell me about the show.
The show is a celebration of the folk rock and harmony music of the 60s, in particular the Mamas and the Papas and other California groups, well known with smash hits in the 60s and radio airplay and lots of fun and Woodstock and all that kind of thing.
And we were all dancing. Yes, we were. Those young people think that I'm not cool. Hey, I was dancing to the Mamas and the Papas. So what will we hear at the show? What are some of the songs?
We're going to hear maybe a dozen songs, hit songs of the Mamas and the Papas, along with other selections, sort of by example, The Age of Aquarius by The Fifth Dimension, Sweet Judy Blue Eyes by Crosby, Stills, Nash & Young, and a lot of other surprise songs, Turtles, bands of that nature that will be sure to please the audience.
Oh, I can sing all of those songs, but I'll do that at another time. Let's tell them where they can see you. It is going to be on August the 20th at the Palladium Theater at St. Pete College, and it's going to be Woodstock Week celebration with Monday Monday. So it's the 20th, and it's go to mypalladium.org to get tickets and more information. They are awesome. Coming back, we'll tell you how to make math more fun. That's got to be a real secret. Can you play for us?
Yes. How to make math more fun?
Yes, let's hear that song.
All right. John and Mitchie were getting kind of itchy just to leave the folk music behind.
Saul and Denny working for a penny,
Trying to get a fish on the line
in a coffee